Listen to the sound here in my heart, a melody that but can't complete. Listen to the sound from deep within. It's only beginning to find release. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside or turned into your own. Oh, 'cause you won't listen, listen. And I am alone at a crossroad. I'm not